I've got the number of lives on the screen, so now I want to put on the number of the score as well. I could just do this in exactly the same place, but I'm actually, to keep it nice and simple, I'm going to do a second one. So this is going to be draw score. And again, the event is a drawing event. And if I go on to score, I can get rid in the end. Get that onto score, and I wanted to draw the score. The position I'd like you to put it in is 48 and 496 again. Okay, I want the caption just to say score. Okay, so I'm saying all I want you to do is quite simply draw the score onto the screen. So if I click OK and run the game, and the score doesn't appear because, of course, I haven't put it onto that room. With an object, if you want anything to appear in a room, the object has to be in the room. So I have to go back to here, and the same as I did before, I have to click that down to draw score, click that onto there, click on play, click it again, and there's the score. But it's a bit small and it's a bit pathetic, so I'd like to make that bigger. So I'd like to change the font. Now, unfortunately, changing the font on a game is not that straightforward, but I shall go through it anyway. So when the game comes back up, the first thing I need to do is to create my font. So if I click onto this symbol here, go onto resources and create font. Now I'm going to call it score font, so it's the font for the score. I think I'm going to have, I think I'll have Barbarella. I think I'll have it in size 32 and in bold. So I've said I want the score font to be Barbarella size 32 bold. So if I now go back to the draw score, what I need to do here is on the draw is I need to tell it to use that font. Okay, so which font at the moment? There's no font at the moment, to change it to score font. I can as well incidentally change the colour, so I could also say here I'd like the colour to be, and I think a nice bright green. That sort of matches the colour of the P. So I click OK on that, and OK again, and press play. Get it off start screen, and there's my score now much bigger in a slightly bright green colour. And if I start eating donuts, my score goes down. If I start eating some broccoli, my score should start going up.